Hey everybody, this is Al from BoxBreakingscom here for the 2012 Bowman Draft Picks and Prospects Baseball Box Break number 4. Like I said in the email, it should have been number 5. Forgot to change that number in the product listing. It is April 28th, and this one just sold out. Your saw sheet up on the wall it tells you which teams you own in the order most teams owned, so least teams owned. I think I had a slight typo in the email. I had Teresa with 3 and one of them down here again, but I just put them all together, so she has 4. So she has the second most spots there. Then with that, time check, it is now 9:55 p.m. East Coast time, April 28th. Your box of 2012 Baseball Bowman Draft Picks and Prospects. And here we go, let's bust into this thing. I don't think we've done all that stellar with these so far, so hopefully this is going to be the one. Here we go. Good luck, everyone. First pack up, we have Sanchez, Quintana, Archer, Chubb. Oops, there should be another chrome in there. Nope, that is the chrome. Darvish, good chrome. Geller and Roach. And Grimm, Kelly, McCutcheon and Springer, a Mike Mudgerin refractor, Minich, and Barnum and Jackson. Ryder, Perez, Darvish, and Trevor Bauer, Henning, Dodig, and Lean. Klein, Trevor Bauer, Moore, Cruz, Vaughn, Butler, and Morin. Benincasa, Pomerantz, Blue, Eddie Butler to 500, Matt Moore, David Dahl. Man, these things are sticky and slippery at the same time. Popek and Thompson. Bleeker, Derek Norris, Alex Liddy, Jeremy Lucas, Dominic Leone, refractor, and Wisdom and Watson. Lucas, Pollock, Cespedes, Archer, Plawecki. Prospects, that'll go to Carlos, person that owns the most spots. Plawecki again, and Naquin. And Clausen, Dozier, a Bryce Harper and Josh Hamilton. A blue Julio Felix, number to 250. Tyler Naquin again. And Johnson and Pullen. Wilson, Montero, Rosario, Kuchno, and Joe Kelly. Minich, Henning. Probably botching up a lot of these guys' names. Valeriot, Sheppers, Smiley, Rovago, Refractor, Johnson, Vaughn, and David Dahl. Turley, Martin, Pryor, Perez, Pullen, Morin, and Price. And Wilson, Jared Parker, Crosby, Turley, a Nick Castellanos die cut, number to 99. Nice little card right there. Ayun and Schaefer. Let's scoot these things over right now. It's starting to get a little too tall. And we have Murphy, Clevenger, Pasternicki, and a Giles, Gile, something like that. Marrero, Devin Marrero. For the Red Sox, there's the auto. And that will be Sean at the bottom there. As usual, Brinson and Matheson. Big Boston fan. Manuel, Aoki, Hefner, Valerie Oates, Middlebrooks, Wendelken, and Myers. Man, that's a big Boston pack right there. Har, Frederic, Longoria, and Zunino. Chad Carmen Refractor, Roach, Perez, and Wood. And Hudgens, Kutchel, Adams, Avery, Barnum, Sims, and Olson. Cowell, Hendricks, Blue Addison Reed out of 500, Falou, Jackson, Sandfort, and Miller. Giles, Pacheco, Hutchison, Stoles, Merkling, Refractor, Tevil, and Wessinger. Richards, Middlebrooks, Avery, Pomerantz, Morin, Prospect again, and Hanger, Blackburn, Hurt, Falou, Elmore and Jeter, Price, Ayun, Stroman and Martinez, Waldrop, Bryce Harper, Clausen, a orange Travieso out of 250, Derek Norris, Frere, and Wiley. 3 packs left. Silviano, Griffin, Peralta, Bailey, Refractor, Schaefer, White, and Sappington. Pintar, Jackson, Thornburg, Liddy, Geller, Valentin. Last pack, Brady, Miley, Wilson, Refractor Mesoraco, Refractor Sheppers, John, and Carmona. Alright, there you go. There is your box of draft picks and prospects number 4. And 2 kind of hits in here. The first autograph, Devin Marrero, and then the die cut of Nick Castellanos. So there you guys go. Alright, gang. Well, that's it for this one. And one more break for tonight. That'll be the limited 2010 football. So stay tuned if you're in that one. Thanks for joining this one. Do appreciate it. We'll see you guys soon. Take care.